Just having another sip of my delicious coffee. Hoping I'm not making you jealous. Alright, so we've got some lines that we've drawn here. How do we get rid of these lines? Well, gee, you are a very intelligent person asking all these great questions. Well, we come over here and we've got this one here, which is delete any. So if I just wanted to delete a whole line, bang, just select on it, it's gone. So I just smoked that line. Smoke, smoke, it's gone. What if I just wanted to just get rid of this little bit just there? Well, I'm going to press down and I'm going to come out and I'm going to get this delete part line, and you can see now I can move over and I'm just going to select here and it just deletes part of the line. Bang, bang. So I can actually create these shapes just by deleting sections of lines. How do I zoom in? Well, I can use this one in, and I'm just going to go select, select, and then it's zooming in on that area. How do I get back out? Well, we can go over here and we've got a couple of quick tools that we can say. This one's media. It's just going to open up to the whole lot. If I select over here on last, it's going to go the last thing that I zoomed in on. And if I select all, it's just going to go all around everything that I've drawn. We've also got over here a whole variety of those things that we can do as well. If I just go to media, it goes back out to everything that I've created and drawn. So that's just a little bit about how to use the delete tools on that we have available. Yep, so other things we can do is we can circle around things that we want to delete and we can drag a window over. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial.